Welcome to Insights from History, a series that draws important lessons from the past to inform the future direction of manufacturing.
Industrial digital technologies can create a resilient, productive, and sustainable manufacturing sector. But to be effective, they must work hand in hand with people.
Whether people embrace smart change will make or break the outcomes of these technologies.
So it may seem counterintuitive to look backwards to move forwards, but that's exactly what this series is all about.
We share stories from the past that will help you to make digital transition a reality and improve the UK's competitiveness.
What connects these stories is how pivotal the adoption or rejection of new technology was to a business, industry, or even whole communities, and how success can be accelerated by understanding the human factor.
You'll discover actionable insights from these real-life stories.
Like how the move to electric street lighting in 19th century Switzerland required people to shape technology to fit their unique circumstances.
How large-scale productivity improvements in coal mining were made possible by small-scale innovations that improved safety. Or how the introduction of typewriters in the British civil service may have meant more jobs for women, but wasn't really inclusive.
Helping you to adopt digital technologies and make them work with people is critical to a thriving and sustainable future for UK manufacturing.
So join us for Insights from History, and we'll take you back
to the future.